Simplified trade regime. Fast, simple, seamless. With regional integration growing, small-scale cross-border trade has seen a substantial rise and in turn, more border crossing. Small-scale cross-border traders can now declare their goods swiftly through the KRA eCustoms app. The app enables quick declaration and tax computation before reaching the border through its pre-arrival submissions of simplified documentation uploaded for compliance. For pre-arrival declaration submission, traders input the goods description, quantity, country of origin, and total value of the goods, which is capped at 2,000 USD. The app verifies the declared value against predefined trade limits to ensure eligibility for simplified clearance. Users can upload a simplified certificate of origin from the East African Community, that is the EAC, or Common Market for Eastern and Southern Africa, that is KESRA, for preferential trade treatment. Automated computation of taxes is based on HS codes assigned to goods, and traders may upload key supporting documents such as invoices, PIN certificates, and weighbridge tickets where applicable. The system flags declarations exceeding the USD 2,000 limit for customs intervention. The app generates an electronic slip, that is an e-slip, detailing applicable taxes and duties for payment, as traders can choose between mobile payment, card payment, or bank transfer. Instant payment confirmation is provided through the app notifications and downloadable receipts. Customs officers verify declarations and compare submitted details against physical inspections when necessary. Once approved, the system issues a digital release notification allowing traders to proceed to exit. If discrepancies are found, consult the customs desk for facilitation. Join us in shaping a seamless future. Download the app today and experience the difference. The KRA eCustoms app, bridging borders, boosting business.